of a transaction app that I've built using Tkinter for GUI and a simple sqlite database, which is quite offline production, but yeah, just for testing. So this is a transaction app where the user can create a new account and with some fancy dates, and yeah, the new account only works if an existing bank is associated with that user, which is we programmed in here. So if a user has a bank account, he then can get signed in this. So I already have an account, so just for testing the authentication, it just says me wrong password. So yeah, so I can just check my account balance, which is when I provide my UPI key, it's like 12,000 for now, and I can pay to one of my friends, which is like 2 here. So when I click it, it opens the recent transactions exist between me and this user. So if I open this, there's quite less transactions comparatively, so I can pay him directly via a button here. It's like 3,000. So this will be paid and the transaction will be like logged here with this date. So I can now check my account balance, which will be 9,000. Fair enough. I can transfer the amount in a number of ways. The friends was one of them, and I can just directly use the account number, and if I like pay, that's high, so yeah, this will be paid as well. So I can search the user by either the name or the phone number, like this one of user. So I can it just opens the same tab. I can also pay from here. So this tab provides all the recent transactions that I have ever used from the starting of this account, and I can also check the usage graph with which is a number of transactions versus the amount that usually varied after each transaction. So I can also like clear the usage, and if I open it now, it opens an empty tab. So I can just go to my profile, just a sample profile. I can edit it, change the password. I can change, so I can just save it, so it'll be like the new address. I can change the password if I want to, and that's pretty much it. The code for this is quite straightforward. It just involves a Tkinter. Most of it is quite redundant and it might seem like a lot of code, but it's actually quite very simple. And backend database, this for testing I should probably use a class for that, but yeah.